Hello everyone, my name is Maggie and this is another episode of E30 Fix. So recently just ended the Dark Dragon Wing Patreon page. I would like to say thank you to these guys that had been supporting this series. We got up to about $600 and that money went straight into buying the Corbeau seats and brackets. It's nicely packed, guys. There we go. Pretty comfortable. This one for passenger and this one's driver's side, front and back. Okay, I'm gonna do this one real quick. So apparently there's no torque specs for these ones. Just make sure they're tight. 2 nuts in the front, 2 bolts in the back. I'm missing 1, 2 nuts. That's what I'm dealing with right now. It should fit perfect now. And now, the other side. $35.4. About 1 inch from the wall. Steering wheel right here. Room. The reason why I got these seats is because they're not that big and they look nice and they can recline. And there you have it, guys. I hope you guys enjoy it and find this helpful. Thank you and have a nice day. สวัสดีครับ